Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Reach the required friendship and progress through Community Center or Joja alternatives. Once done, check the bulletin or museum for the bus repair quest. This unlocks the objective. Immediately gather materials: 300 wood, 5 hardwood, 2 battery packs, and quartz. You'll need gold or copper later too. While you collect, upgrade tools to speed work. Make sure to place items in a chest for quick access, so you can start the repair steps without delay. Once the quest is active, you'll follow a sequence. Talk to the appropriate NPC, often the wizard or museum curator, to get the exact requirements. Then choose the path. Pay 5,000 G for immediate repair, or supply the listed goods, which can save money but take longer. Arrange materials at the bus location before the crew starts. This avoids delays. While workers are on site, keep the area clear and monitor the progress. This ensures the NPCs finish without interruption, and the bus finish by completing the payment or delivering the last items, then log out or wait one in-game day. The repair completes overnight. Once the bus is fixed, board it to reach the desert and access new vendors and forage. This expands your gameplay options. If the bus still isn't repaired, don't panic. Reload the save, confirm you actually handed over the required items or gold, and recheck friendship or community center flags. If needed, revisit NPCs to re-trigger the quest and ensure completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.